The 21st century has witnessed an unprecedented explosion of technological advancement, reshaping the very fabric of our society. From the dawn of the internet to the ubiquity of smartphones, our lives have been irrevocably transformed, making the world more connected and accessible. Technology's influence permeates every facet of our existence, connecting us in ways unimaginable just decades ago, bridging gaps and bringing people closer together. As we venture further into this century, the pace of innovation shows no signs of slowing down, with new breakthroughs occurring at a dizzying speed. In fact, it's accelerating at an astonishing rate, pushing the boundaries of what we once thought possible. Consider the rapid evolution of computing power, which has transformed from room-sized machines to pocket-sized devices. Moore's Law, which predicted the doubling of transistors on a microchip every 2 years, has held true for several decades, driving exponential growth. This exponential growth has paved the way for smaller, more powerful devices that continue to revolutionize our world, making technology more integrated into our daily lives. We carry more computing power in our pockets today than entire rooms full of computers could muster just a generation ago, a testament to the rapid advancements we've witnessed. This relentless march of progress sets the stage for even more groundbreaking technologies to emerge in the coming decades, promising to change our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. The year 2050 may seem like a distant future, but it's a mere blink of an eye in the grand scheme of technological evolution, a future that is rapidly approaching. In the next 3 decades, we can expect to witness advancements that will fundamentally reshape our world, perhaps even more profoundly than the internet did in the late 20th century, altering every aspect of our lives. These advancements will touch every aspect of our lives, from the mundane to the extraordinary, transforming how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. The future holds both immense promise and potential challenges, requiring us to navigate this new landscape with care and foresight. By understanding the trajectory of technological development, we can better prepare ourselves for the world of 2050 and beyond, ensuring we harness these advancements for the greater good. Let us now delve into some of the most exciting and transformative technologies that are poised to redefine the human experience, shaping a future that is both thrilling and full of potential. Nanotechnology, the manipulation of matter at the atomic and molecular level, is poised to revolutionize countless industries, from healthcare to energy production. Imagine a world where materials are engineered with atomic precision, possessing extraordinary properties and capabilities that were once thought impossible. This is the promise of nanotechnology, a field that is rapidly advancing. One of the most exciting prospects of nanotechnology lies in the realm of medicine, where it could change the way we treat diseases. Imagine microscopic machines dubbed nanobots navigating our bloodstream, seeking out and destroying cancer cells with unparalleled precision, offering new hope for cancer patients. These nanobots could also be used to repair damaged tissues, potentially healing injuries that were once considered permanent. They could deliver drugs directly to target cells, increasing the effectiveness of treatments while reducing side effects, and even reverse the aging process, opening up new possibilities for extending human life. Beyond medicine, nanotechnology holds immense potential in fields like manufacturing, energy, and electronics, promising to reshape our world. Imagine self-healing materials that can repair damage on their own, reducing waste and extending the lifespan of products, ultra-efficient solar panels that capture nearly all of the sun's energy, making renewable energy more viable, and incredibly powerful computers that fit on a pinhead, revolutionizing computing and data storage. These are just a few examples of the transformative power of nanotechnology, which has the potential to change every aspect of our lives. However, the development of nanotechnology also raises ethical and societal concerns that must be addressed. The ability to manipulate matter at such a fundamental level raises questions about unintended consequences and the potential for misuse, which could have far-reaching impacts. As with any powerful technology, careful consideration and responsible development are paramount to ensure that nanotechnology benefits humanity as a whole, safeguarding our future. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, has emerged from the realm of science fiction to become a transformative technology with far-reaching implications, touching various aspects of our daily lives and industries. This revolutionary process involves building three-dimensional objects layer by layer from a digital design, using materials like plastics, metals, ceramics, and even living cells. Each layer is meticulously added, creating intricate designs that were once impossible to achieve. Imagine a world where you can print personalized products on demand in the comfort of your own home. This technology empowers individuals to create unique items tailored to their specific needs and preferences. Need a new phone case? Print one in your favorite color and design. Cracked a part on your bicycle? Print a replacement that fits perfectly without waiting for shipping. This is the power of 3D printing, enabling us to move from mass production to personalized customization, making manufacturing more flexible and responsive to individual needs. The applications of 3D printing extend far beyond consumer goods, reaching into critical fields that impact our well-being and future. In healthcare, 3D printed implants and prosthetics are already transforming lives, offering customized solutions that improve patient outcomes and quality of life. Imagine printing organs for transplantation, eliminating the need for donors and reducing wait times, potentially saving countless lives. In aerospace, 3D printing enables the creation of lighter and stronger components, revolutionizing aircraft design and reducing fuel consumption, leading to more efficient and sustainable air travel. As 3D printing technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. From printing entire buildings to creating personalized medicine, the possibilities are virtually limitless, opening new horizons for human creativity and problem solving. 3D printing is poised to disrupt traditional manufacturing models and usher in a new era of on-demand, customized production, changing the way we think about making and consuming products.